Today we're installing a auto folding mirror kit on our GR86. So this kit is from Mod Society. It's pretty much plug and play and it comes with everything you need. The only tools you need are a flat and Phillips head screwdriver, a pry tool, and of course the kit. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is just remove this plastic trim piece from the door handle. There's a screw beneath that, and there's a second plastic trim piece here. I used some masking tape just so that I wouldn't scratch anything. And once that's done, we pop out the door and disconnect all the cables. The trickiest part is just removing the parts that lock the door. So the kit comes with these adapters and they're pretty much plug and play with the OEM setup. You want to click them in on both sides of the door. Now we're ready to just plug it into this unit from Mod Society, which powers the whole manifold. Remember to clean up your wires, tape everything up. I mounted the unit on the door trim piece, just where the cup holder is. And reverse the steps, put everything back together, and we're good to go. This mod is pretty easy and it only takes an hour.